Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename layers and frames in Figma. Keeping your layers organized with clear names is essential for maintaining a clean workflow, especially when you're working on complex designs or collaborating with a team. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, direct your attention to the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This is where all your design elements are listed in a hierarchical structure, making it easy to navigate through your project. The Layers panel is your command center for managing everything within your Figma file. Next, select the layer or frame you want to rename by clicking its name once in the Layers panel. This highlights the element and ensures that Figma knows which item you're about to modify. You'll notice the selected layer becomes active both in the panel and on your canvas. Now, double-click the current name of the layer or frame directly in the Layers panel. This action puts the name into edit mode, allowing you to make changes. You'll see the text become highlighted and the cursor will appear, indicating that you're ready to type a new name. Go ahead and type the new name for your element. Choose something descriptive that will help you quickly identify what this layer contains. Clear naming conventions can save you significant time when searching through dozens or even hundreds of layers later on. Once you've typed your new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. The layer will immediately update with its new name, and you'll see this reflected in the Layers panel. The change is applied instantly, so there's no need to worry about manual saving. Here's a helpful shortcut that can speed up your workflow even more. While the object is selected, simply type Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This keyboard shortcut instantly activates the rename function, letting you skip the double-click step entirely. It's a quick way to rename multiple elements when you're organizing your design. And there you have it, you've successfully renamed your layers and frames in Figma. This simple organizational habit will keep your projects tidy and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.